It's a pirate's life for me.
That's like a lot. But anyway, is it A, blue and yellow, B, blue and green, served to Mia in The Princess Diaries that gives her a brain freeze? Is it A, UK, B, Japan? What is Mother Gothel going to make Rapunzel say? A, BLTs, B. Now when I say the number you got correct, you are going to imagine that the sun has beat your
to deck 2 and we're gonna do a little tour of the Disney Wish. So deck 2 has the Oceaneer Club and it's a small world nursery. So this is mainly for the little ones. Cutest design. Oh my gosh, this Frozen song. So sad. Cute. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna start crying. Please, I know you're in there. So cute. This is 1923 and one of the rotational dining restaurants. You go look at the menu. Oh. The artwork in here is so gorgeous. It's like every panel has a different Disney princess. Let's see if we could look in. This is the Roy Disney side. There's like two sides, Walt Disney and Roy Disney. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Gorgeous. Princess Tiana. Of course, Cinderella. On deck 3, there's like a ton of these super expensive little shops that sell watches and jewelry. Really pretty. No way, someone just got married and they're cutting their cake at the bayou. This is gorgeous. Okay, I don't want to interrupt. It's beautiful. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed. So we're gonna go up to deck 4. Here are some of the things that are on there. This is terrifying. No way. So this is the Luna Lounge. It's full. Lights are up in there. It's like a 2-story lounge theater. Here is one of the movie theaters, Neverland Cinema. These are the movies that are showing today.
makes you friends. I must be leaving you.
What about Garcia? Okay, I don't want to interrupt. It's too dark in there. So cutie, Tinkerbell. Oh, they sell popcorn, and they have popcorn buckets and sippers that are really cute. Here is the Wonderland Cinema, which we will be at later to watch Mufasa. Playing Moana 2 right now. Let's see what's going on in there. Oh, this is photography.
Hey, Ocean. So I kind of wasn't given a lot of directions other than follow the guide.
Not allowed to film in there. Did not read the sign sooner. Whoops. This is one of the bars slash coffee shops called the Wishing Star. The cutest thing here is that there's a little Jiminy Cricket statue. Love him. Here is Hook's Barbery. It's like a barber shop. Bourbon tasting, old fashioned. I don't know what that's all about, but it looks really cool. Down here is Worlds of Marvel. This is one of the other restaurants that are on the rotational dining. It's like Avengers themed. It's really, really nice. Crazy. Don't think I can go in there, but good luck. So cool. Oh, there's a man in a robe. What is going on? Untangled salon. So pretty. The Bippity Boppity Boutique. Absolutely precious for the little ones to get all dressed up. They do the hair and everything. Oh my gosh, there are some in there now. It is so magical. They are little princesses. Oh my gosh, here's all the costumes. So cool. Just one more view of the Grand Hall. It is absolutely gorgeous. I'm obsessed with this place. She is main character energy. Oh my gosh. So adorable. Here's a full view of everything that's on the boat. This is the second floor of the Luna Lounge. This place I think is my favorite place to hang out on the boat. They do so many different trivias. Also, I think right now they're doing crafts, but it's just huge. So you can people watch, hide out on the second floor. Also, these cutie lounges on the TVs. They'll show whatever's happening on the stage. They're so cool. They also do karaoke in here. Right now they're doing the crafts. There's just so many different things that happen up here. They do game shows. It's really, really fun. I love this place. This is the Triton Lounge. Another spot for
your crew staff team on board. We all do the fun activities that we have here on board. Who had watched naturally?
One of my many favorite things about this boat is that there's just so many places to lounge and hang out. So many places. So if you come with a big family or friends and you just need some private time to get away, there's 1000% a place for you to find on the boat. It's just so nice. Here is another cafe. This is called the Enchanted Sword. It is so pretty. Another look at Mickey's mainsail. Will be open later today, and then we could go look around. This is fun. That is so cute. And this is Arendelle. This is the third and last rotational dining restaurant. Here is a look at the menu. This place is gorgeous. I think it's my favorite themed of all the restaurants because just look at this artwork. Oh my gosh, Olaf is so cute. They have the family. It is such a long haul too. Sven, Kristoff, my queens, Lana and Elsa. The lighting is perfect. Statues. This one is a lot of fun. There's like a whole performance that happens during the dinner. It's really, really fun. So gorgeous. So now we will tour the different food options. It might be pretty loud. Smokestack barbecue. They have like pork and ribs, sausages. Pizza Hut. Here is the fan favorite Donald Cantina. Soda options. There's hot chocolate, there's coffee. Stop off the grill. Here they have burgers, hot but I need a coffee first. So we're late. The movie starts in 7 minutes. Let's see if we can make it.
Nothing for you, Mister?
No, nothing for me. Thank you, though.
So cutie. Coffee is secured. We have 2 minutes until the movie starts.
Curious going in tonight. And starting 1 minute. 9 to 9.
Snow White.
So we just got out of Mufasa and I think we both rated it 10 out of 10. It was so good. And now we are getting ready to head to Mickey and Minnie's pirate something. It's like a pirate party. So let's go. I don't know what to do with my bandana, so I added him to my Mickey Nemo.
Once again be unfurled, flying high over pirate waters.
Mickey and Minnie's Pirate
Fun too.
It's a pirate's life for me! Ahoy, mateys!
Well then, with the crew all accounted for, I say, away, away, away we go! Away, 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 away we go! In the sunny shine, away, 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 away we go! Great job! Hey, crew! Looky there!
Mr. Smee!
Do pardon my interruption of your festivities, but you'll be needing to make way immediately, or sooner.
But why?
So we don't get hit by that cannonball. Oh no!
Oh no, it's Prime Goofy! Is that who I think it is?
Yes, it is I, the new caretaker and overseer of this fine vessel. Simply put, this ship is mine!
Happening! Oh, yes, it can!
And it just did. Me! Get me out of here!
Come on, Captain, back to Neverland. Now, which direction is it from here? Ooh.
Goodbye, Captain!
Our towel animal for the night. So cute. 10 out of 10 effort. On to trivia number. How many have we done?
Too many.
7 or
And got one medal.
8. You said
We don't have a single medal.
right.
But today's our day.
Today's the day. This next round of trivia is gonna change everything. It's Disney Parks themed trivia, which I'm feeling pretty confident, but we'll see.
Today's trivia is called Things Kyle Knows.
Once again, on which Disney attraction can you go, oh, I heart you too, maybe those were binoculars.
Off to another trivia.
We lost.
We lost the last one. I think I was away from 1 point. Like I was off by 1 point from the winners. So wish us luck.
take it all. Something about the treasure.
And welcome back to day 3 on the Disney Wish. It's time for our little nighttime recap of the day. My husband is showering, so I hope it's not too loud because that would really stink. Let's go through our day. Well, today technically was Bahamas Day. However, we have been to the Bahamas before and it's a beautiful island, but I really think if you're not booking like an excursion, which we just didn't want to spend the extra money, it's not entirely worth it. So we just didn't get off because we've done that before, and there's like some shops and stuff, but we really wanted to stay on the boat because there's just so much to do as always, and also just a lovely time to just relax and experience the boat with less people on it. So there was like no lines for anything, all of the food is just easy to get to, and it was lovely. So we really spent a majority of our day just relaxing. We took some naps on the top deck, watched Funnel Vision. I think they showed Hercules today. It was so precious and so beautiful and just so relaxing. The sun was out. It was pretty warm, but we absolutely loved that. It was so nice. We also did tons of trivia. I think we did like 4 or 5 different trivia shows today, and we lost every single one of them. It's just a different level. Like, I don't know. I feel like I'm a pretty big Disney fan. Like, I'm an annual pass holder. I'm at the parks every single week. I think I've watched every single Disney movie like that exists. And somehow there are still people who just know so much more than I do. There was like a Disney movie quotes trivia. I got like 4 out of 20 right. Like, it was so bad. There was the Disney Parks trivia, which I thought I was going to like devour, and I did not. I was pretty close though. I can't remember, but like 2 or 3 points off. I don't know. 2 or 3 points off from the winners. So if I just would have known the names of the 3 head statues from Haunted Mansion, I forgot what they're called. The busts, I think is what they're called. If I knew their names, I would have won. And the prize isn't even like all that grand. It's literally just a medal, and it has like characters on it. So each venue that hosts trivia has a different character. So there's like Chip and Dale, or there's Daisy, Donald, Mickey, whatever. And I've just been trying so hard. I'm like, I just want one. Like, literally, it's the dumbest thing ever. I just want one medal. People are walking around with like 5. I don't get it. But maybe tomorrow. Maybe tomorrow's my day. Speaking of tomorrow is February 13th, which is actually my birthday, and I'm very excited about that. I am turning 27. I feel like a grandma, but also I'm just trying to tell myself it's good to get older. This is a beautiful privilege, and I'm just so grateful. But at the same time, it just feels really weird to be turning 27 and to be reaching like the latter half of my 20s. Scary times. But tomorrow's also Castaway Key Day, so I'm so excited to vlog that. I think it's going to be so much fun. This is going to be our second time going to Castaway Key, so I can't wait. I just absolutely loved it. Last time we did like some excursions, or we did like snorkeling, and we did bike rides and stuff. So tomorrow we won't do snorkeling again. It was a lot of fun, and there's like really cool stuff to see under the water, but it was exhausting. I remember getting out of that and thinking like we were like gasping for air. Like, that was the craziest time of our lives, and it really isn't that much. We're just not, my family and I, we've never done that before, so it was definitely an exercise. So tomorrow I'm looking forward to taking a more relaxing route as we explore Castaway Key and maybe see some stuff we didn't see last time. oh my goodness, I almost forgot. We saw Mufasa today and it was so good. Like genuinely so good. I feel like typically I want to say every single Disney movie is incredible, but recently there's just been some that I'm like, it wasn't that great, especially the live action ones. Hope I don't get any hate, but like the live action Lion King, I wasn't a huge fan. There wasn't anything that like pulled me in or like, I don't know, stirred my heart. But Mufasa, I had tears in my eyes probably the first like 5 minutes or so. It was so good. My husband loved it. That was like the #1 thing he wanted to do on this cruise, is like watch Mufasa, because it's out in theaters. It's not like on Disney Plus or anything yet, so we've been holding off. We're like, we're not gonna go pay for it, we're gonna watch it on the cruise because it's free / included. So we saw that and it was so good. I absolutely recommend. It was so good. Tonight was also Pirates Night, which was so much fun. They had the fireworks on the top deck, which was really cool, and just an incredible performance from all of the cast. It was so good. Absolutely love Pirate Night. So in a few minutes, it is currently 11:43 p.m. a little late, but in 15 minutes or so at midnight here on the Disney Wish, they have this super cute little tradition. I don't know, I'm pretty sure it's every night. I'm actually not too sure, so I really hope it's happening tonight, but it's called A Kiss Goodnight. I think I didn't do my research, I forgot. I saw it on my last cruise, but it's basically in the grand hall, the grand lobby, like the center of the boat. It's in the grand lobby, I believe. There's like this giant kind of chandelier and it has like a star on it, and it's supposed to be like a kiss goodnight, like from Cinderella. So it does this cute little lighting effect and it plays beautiful music, and it's just, I don't know, super cute, and I absolutely love it. Last time we did it, it just felt so precious, and there's just a bunch of people that gather like in the lobby to watch it all at midnight, so I'm excited to see that. So I think we're gonna get ready and head to A Kiss Goodnight. Okay, so I just did my research and just did a quick little Google search to look up what it's called. The Kiss Goodnight. I'm correct, it is called A Kiss Goodnight. I don't know if, because my last time on this boat was 2 years ago in 2023. I don't know if it was like this back then and I just didn't know it changed, or if it's always been like this, but it says it happens at 10, 11, and 12. So I could have gone earlier. I literally could have gone at 11. That makes me so sad. That's actually kind of crazy, but whatever. We're gonna stay up. I'm not even that tired yet, so we're gonna stay up and we're gonna go see A Kiss Goodnight. Like, it happens 3 times a night instead of just at midnight, which is what it used to do. So I could have gone at 11, I could have gone at 10.
But it also still means that you can go 3 times tomorrow.
That is such a good perspective. I really appreciate that.
And then it'll be kind of like you got every night.
Yeah.
Because you can just change your outfit and then go again.
That's so funny.
This music is too much for midnight.
It's like pirate music.
It's too much for midnight. Read the room, Disney.
Bye. I found my people. How excited are you to see this right now?
I was not given enough time to answer this question.
Wrong answer. I'm very excited.
I was also caught off guard.
I'm sorry. Okay, so it was really cute. However, I didn't know that it was pirate themed. I should have known that because it's Pirate Night. But the original one is so cute and it's like Cinderella. So we will be back tomorrow. Why does it look like that?
What are they used for?
Human hair.
Young Mr. Turner, the last.